see it once, but that will be enough.
Showing my ass lately, larger amounts daily. I've been going crazy. I've been dancing with the devil. God, can you save me, please? Every dope boy dream of riding no brand new Mercedes. Bad bitch say I'm her favorite. Dripping in the latest. Bitch say I'm contagious. I don't believe none of these niggas. Don't see none of these niggas. These niggas be cowards. I got a confession to make. I sold my soul to the trap. Sold my soul to the trap. Got my money and took it back. I show all my niggas love. If I don't know you, then you get taxed. If I didn't grow up with you, then I can't swear you. You might be a rat. Damn. Ran through the door with them racks. We got scraps in through the back. Came in the door with this shit. Long money, little nigga. Don't think about ownership. Sold all them bricks in your raps, but you was broke and shit. Hey, cut that shit out. Yeah, just spent 25,000 just on the coke and shit.
Damn, I'm old bitch.
Blind to the bullshit, call me Ray Charles. My location is the bank, that's where I stay. Hardest worker in show business, call me James Brown. Set my old school on some forges and blew out the brains.